everyone. My name is Vadini. I'm from RPIIT College, Karnal. Today we are going to learn about SDLC in software engineering. Before starting, what is SDLC? It is a structured process that guides the software to be developed from initial stage to its ending point, like to the retirement. It involves a series of well-defined phases that help team plan, design, build, test, deploy, and maintain the software. It ensures the systematic and efficient development process. Then, what is SDLC? This is the structured process. It provides the framework for managing the entire software development lifecycle, which ensures the methodological approach. The phases, we call it, there are several phases which perform, each phase perform the specific activity and deliverables like requirement gathering, design, coding, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Quality and efficiency, SDLC aims to perform, बंद करो, to produce high quality software, minimize risks, optimize resources, and reduce development time and cost. Then the last but not the least is stakeholder satisfaction. Let's start with the key phases here. The first one is planning. Planning, it is the initial stage of software development which involves defining the software purpose and scope, uh, resources, and the timelines. Here, it also do the feasibility study during the planning phase. The developers and the product teams evaluate, and the financial challenges also being taken care. Then the second one is requirement analysis, which includes uh, it is analysis where what are the expectation of our users from our software. The team is looking to the answer, and then gathering gathering and documenting detailed requirement from the stakeholders. The third one is design. Design phase is all about the building the framework, which creating the architecture and detailed design specification based on the requirements. It links between the software purpose and its execution, like what is the coding phase. Then let's move on to the fourth phase. This is coding phase in the SDLC, which means when the engineers and development get down to the business and start converting the software design into tangible code, means the main coding, developing the software based on the design specifications. This is the coding. The next one is after when the coding once completed, then a very important phase, that is testing, evaluating the software for functionality, performance, security, and other quality attributes being tested. This is very stringent quality inspection. Uh, and the testing process begin by setting the clear parameters in line with the software requirements. There are multiple SDLC we follow in the software testing. Then phase 6 is the deployment. After the testing is completion, after crafting a product with precision, it's time to present it to the users by pushing it to the production environment, which we call it deployment. Means that the software is being released to the intended environment. The last one is maintenance. Deployment phase doesn't signal at the end, but rather the notable milestone, and it being like pushed to the maintenance part. The last but not the least is the characterized by content. It provides the ongoing support, updates, and the bug fixes for the software. Let's say if in the testing phase, if in the after deployment, like if in the being it's been released, software is being released, any problem is there, then the maintenance team will cover up and do the maintenance part after that. It composes of the frequent updates, implementing patches, fixing bugs. The user support is also very crucial because they used to give the feedback to the team. So these all are the phases of software development life cycle. If you like our channel, like and subscribe.